Hello, this is Tom Howard from Multiple Streams of Income and People Helping People. First of all, to get a little bit of this out of the way, to save yourself a lot of trouble, go to this page right here on the page and see if you're qualified for our program. We only allow ClickBank people to join our program. Now, someone thought enough about you to send you to this page. You'll be glad they did. The first thing that you should know about our program here is that we have done everything we can to keep this whole system affordable. Most of the pages below that you will be joining are free, so you don't have a thing to lose here. Here's what you should know about what you will be doing. First, when you join us, you will receive the whole system that your sponsor is currently taking you through. You will be typing your sponsor's username in the form below from the status bar above and generating their link to their personal page that was given to them. When you copy and put that in the form and generate their link by hitting the Generate HTML button, you can copy it, paste it into a new window, and go directly to their ultimate capture page. This will be demonstrated shortly. You are being sent there so that your sponsor can send some important information with the autoresponder that is attached to that capture page. Just remember, you will get a system just like this one with your own capture page and autoresponder sequence, but all you have to worry about is getting your affiliate link out to others. Now, one of the affiliate links is up here. This is one of our affiliates. I've just highlighted that page up there. Now, what you're going to do, if your sponsor has had the virtual downline builder, this is the first place you will be sent after you enter your information in the form on the capture page. The video being played is Bob Proctor talking about the science of getting rich. So this should let you know that this is something else that you receive with our program, the science of getting rich. And you can see that right here. I'm going to stop that. But, you know, his program over there costs $997, almost $1,000. What we can do is, I actually sell this program for $19.97. It's not his product. It's not his program, though, but it has The Secret, the movie The Secret, and everything else from the science of getting rich in there with the PDF files. All right. So this is something that you should know because you're going to receive that. Now, if your sponsor has set up their virtual downline builder and done so correctly and submitted their pages to us, their recommended program should look like the picture below, and I will show you that in a second. If your sponsor has not set up their virtual downline builder, you will be sent directly to their multiple streams of income page for their program right from the capture page. The virtual downline builder links are your sponsor's system. This is steps 1 through 5, and the links are shown in this picture right here. Now, when you're done watching the video above, which is this video that I'm talking to you in, you're going to take that last stuff from the equal sign on, type in cache code 83, type in enter, generate the link down here, and if you don't see a link, a name after that up there, just see debit card profits, you're going to put in the blank there, corporate. See, as it's written up here, corporate, right there, and you would put that in the form. I may do that just so you see how this works. I think I'm going to refresh this page, copy this, because welcome to multiple income streams. This is Tom Howard, and I am the creator of Sorry about that. Streams. That's a previous page that a previous video that I'm going to send you to, the new one. Now, you see the video is right there with Bob Proctor. I'm not going to put this in the form simply because I've put too many in the form as I'm editing the pages and everything, and it's kicking me back. But what we're going to do is let you know that it does work. And what I'm going to do is show you over here and take you to the downline builders page. And this is what you get when you do join our program. You get all this over here, and a lot of stuff ways to make money with it. But here's the virtual downline builder. And I'm going to have to stop Alonzo Brown from talking on this. There we go. Mr. Brown does an excellent job of putting his page together. The only difference that we have on the page, and when you put your five programs in there, it's going to take a couple hours, anywhere from a couple hours to 24 hours for these things to migrate. into there. It'll have things from the back office. If you didn't put anything in there, it'll be going to Alonzo Brown's pages. But here's the same picture you saw on our page, right there. And this is exactly what we're talking about on this page here. So if they don't have the virtual downline builder, you'll be sent directly to their ultimate capture page, and there you will go to their multiple streams of income. And those multiple streams of income, when you put it in here, I want you to put down this page that you're on right now. For the sake of training everybody the same way. So the multiple streams of income comes to this page. All right. So I hope that's helpful. And if you ever have any problems, just give me a call or send me an email. I think you can find me on the internet.